Hey, howdy, hey y'all. Happy Mask Monday. Today for Mask Monday and what's on the porch, I have my Eyescream Beauty Box for September. Perfect for Mask Monday because in the box there is a My Skinny mask from Australia. This is Tumeric and Vitamin C Clay Mask. Super hydrating and brightening. It says brightening turmeric, hydrate hemp seed oil, glow kakadu, kakadu plum, and invigorate green tea. So, kakadu. Kakadu? Alrighty, so we're going to try this out and then we'll go over the other items in the box because my skin is very dry. I don't know if you can see all the dry skin here around my nose, on the sides of my nose. I got dry patches down here. I got a lot going on there on my face. So here's what this looks like. It comes in a little glass jar and it comes with a brush. This is a brush, not a little paddle. It's a little brush. We're going to try that out and see what happens. And I'll tell you about my skin problems. I've got, I don't know if you can see, right here, I've got, it almost looks burned. And that is from my skincare. I've got a patch right there. See that patch right there on my eye? I don't know what I've done. I've done something. This is why you should be very careful about your skincare products. It has a little cap on it, and this is what it looks like. So I have been doing the same skincare regimen for quite a while. I try to be very careful. Let me turn this light on. Ooh. I like that with the brush. I try to be really careful because I know you can damage your skin with your skincare routine. So I have one that works for me that I have been doing for a while. This is one of the reasons why I don't like to get skincare in my boxes, because you can't just willy-nilly add things to your skincare routine. And one of my pet peeves, alright, so yeah, I know I'm ranting, but one of my pet peeves with a lot of these companies is they should, I feel, they should put on their boxes of skincare products what you should not use that product with. Of course, along with that, you need to be diligent about doing your own research to see if you can use a certain product. I dropped some of that on the table with what you are already using on your face. And that is already burning right there. So see, again, hopefully I'm not going to be making things worse. So I'm going to get this on and then I'll be back. Alright, so it says, for all skin types, apply a layer onto freshly cleansed skin, and I just got out of the shower, avoiding eye area, and wash off with warm water after 10 minutes. We are proudly Australian-made, 100% natural, vegan, and cruelty-free, and y'all know I love everything cruelty-free. So like I was saying, I don't know what I did, especially here on my eye, because I have not changed anything about my skincare routine, especially as far as my eyes go. However, I do know that your body chemistry changes, and so some things that you may have used without any issue can cause a problem later. But of course, I could have had something on my fingers when I put my eye creams on. I try to do my eyes first so that I don't have, like my tretinoin or any type of AHA or BHA on my fingers. But who knows? let's get into the rest of what's in the box. So that's drying down nicely and it has stopped burning around my nose. I really like that. I like the consistency of it. It was very easy to spread around, not like some of the other clay masks that are really thick and hard to spread, and it's drying nicely. I feel it tightening up. One of the things that I love about Eyescream Beauty is they put these packaging peanuts in there. They are made out of cornstarch, so they are water soluble and very biodegradable, and I love that for our landfill. So Eyescream Beauty monthly subscription, it's $25 a month, and you get five to seven products, I believe. There is a eyeshadow palette in every box. They also have a bag that is $12.50, I believe, that includes free shipping. I sign up for 6 months at a time, so I pay $23 a month for my boxes. You get a little bit of a discount when you sign up for a longer period of time. And the eyeshadow palette that they put in this month's box is the Beauty Crop Dawn Gazing Palette. And normally I try out all of the products in the box, but I really wanted to do this mask. And this is a pretty palette, but I am not sure at this point whether or not I'm going to keep it. The packaging is very pretty, very reflective there. I like that there is not a mirror. I don't really need a mirror in my palettes. It's a very pretty palette. It has this pressed glitter in it, which I don't like to do pressed glitter. Just, I have contacts and it gets in my eyes. Not that I don't like it, because it's beautiful, but I just don't like to use it. I know that this is reflective, but this shade saver is taped. There's a better. And I don't want to take it off because, like I said, I'm not sure at this point if I'm going to keep it. If I decide to keep it, then you'll see it in an upcoming video. That palette retails for $15, which is really good. Then there's this Cocoa Rose Blush Palette, and it as well is from the Beauty Crop. This palette as well is $15. The eyeshadow palette was in a cardboard packaging. This one is in a plastic case. This one does have a mirror in it, and it has a shade saver. I'll take that off. I'm not sure if I'm keeping this one either. It's very pretty though. This is very unusual with that kind of variegated, spotty texture. I don't know. It's very interesting. So I don't know. I might have to play around with that. I don't normally do a lot of pinks as far as blush goes, but that is a very pretty pink color, so I don't know, we'll see. And then we have these two gel liners. This is Appeal Cosmetics gel liners for eyes or lips, which is very interesting. And here are the two shades. Very pretty. This is Deep Taupe, and the other one is Mousse. So those are very interesting. I will be using those. Depending on how long this goes, I might swatch those for you. Those are $42 for two of them, so I don't know if they come that way or that's just how they put them on here on the little card. And the last item in my box is this Gerlach Smudge Eraser Stick. It retails for $17. This I am very interested in. This is what it looks like. And it's an eraser. So it rolls up and it erases your makeup. So I'm very interested in that because, you know, you get makeup and stuff on you. So Smudge Eraser Stick. That's very interesting to me. So I'm quite excited about that. So the total value of my box came to $129, which is pretty good. It has been about 10 minutes, and I guess I put some areas on a little bit too thick. So I'm going to wait a few minutes. These have shrink wrap on them. So while I'm waiting, I'll take the shrink wrap off so that we can swatch these, and maybe we'll use that makeup eraser to see how that works. So this is what my skin looks like after I took that off. And my skin now feels very dry. But I think it did kind of help exfoliate. You can see that I'm very irritated right here in the areas around my nose. So I'm going to put some of this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is Intense Hydration Skin Protectant, and it has colloidal oatmeal in it. And as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see or not how much of this I have used. This is some really good stuff. So I'm just going to put, it doesn't take a lot. Just going to put that around my nose. That mask did seem to help get rid of some of that dead skin. And I don't put this all over my face because it's very thick. I just put it thinly on the places that I need that extra hydration. But I can't use really thick, heavy creams on my skin because it causes melia for me. So I have to be careful. I am going to put a little bit of this on that patch on my eye to try to hydrate that dry patch right there. And this is what I have been putting on it. It has really helped it. That spot on my eye a couple of days ago was looking like Herman Munster. It was pretty bad. So I don't know what to think about this because it makes my skin feel dry, and I have oily skin. So yeah, if you have dry skin, I probably would not go with this mask. When my skin is better though, I will try that again and see if that makes a difference, because it could just be the shape that my skin is in. The other thing that I wanted to tell you about my skin is that I feel like I have not been drinking enough water. So I have my water here, and the reason it is cloudy is because I know that my electrolytes are low. It's not doing it right now, but a few moments ago my eye was twitching. You know how you get those eye twitches? That is a sign that your magnesium is low, and your magnesium is very important. So I like to use this LMNT packets. It has sodium, potassium, and magnesium in them. It is no sugar packet, and this is watermelon flavor, which is my favorite. I just add it to my water. It's so good. It has a very nice watermelon flavor. I'll have that link down below in case you're interested. Great stuff. So I'm trying to up my water intake to help my skin, because my skin is not just dry on my face. I noticed that my feet are really dry. Of course, I've been wearing sandals all summer, and as you start getting into the fall, my feet are like, for God's sakes, put some lotion and some socks on me. I got the shrink wrap off of these, which is always a bear. I mean, I appreciate that they put them on there, but good grief, they are so hard to get off. So this, ooh, that is mousse, which would be pretty for lips. I'm not sure that I would put that on my eyes. And then this one is Deep Taupe. Oh, that one's really pretty. That would be pretty either or, lips or eyes. So we'll give those a few seconds to dry. And then we'll try out this eraser and see. It may not erase that because I'm going to smudge it out a little bit, and then we're going to, let's see if I can do it on the camera where you can see. Sure enough, it erased it. Of course, you know, it's a little bit on there. This has like a waxy, not waxy, I don't know how to explain it. It feels very soft. It has no smell to it whatsoever. And now where I put that on just feels nice and hydrated. I wonder if those gel, maybe it'll dry down if I left it, but. So there we go. There's my Eyescream Beauty Box clay mask, weird Mask Monday video. If you have stuck it out this long, thanks for hanging out with me. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup or your skincare out and play with it, but be careful with the skincare. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, I don't know, son. Do you need a skinny mask? Can you imagine putting a clay mask on your face with all that beard? Yeah, that would be a little tough to get out, I reckon. You'd have to get in the shower to wash all of that out of your beard. Oh. Yeah, so your beauty tip, don't do a clay mask, okay? Do a sheet mask. That's be good for your beard too. Mama loves you, boo.